When you're having guests over for brunch, the last thing you want to do is be flipping pancakes in your kitchen, right? I've got the solution for you, my overnight pancake casserole. And I love blueberries in this. They're sweet and so good for you, and especially for me, because I'm eating for two. The best part about these pancakes is they're gonna soak up all of that creamy custard. What custard did you say? This one here. You can't make a custard without first cracking a few eggs. They thicken the mixture and give it the color of sunshine. Twice as much milk as cream to get the consistency just right. Maple syrup for sweetness, and vanilla just enhances every flavor in this. And to flavor this all up, some sweet cinnamon. And for something warm and spicy, some nutmeg. The trick is to make this the night before. This way, that custard has time to set into those pancakes. And in the morning, you just pop this into the oven. While this cooks up, I'm gonna make a super sweet sauce. And here's a hint. It's blue. Blueberry sauce is a nice change from maple syrup, starting with a slurry of cornstarch and water. Look at this color of sauce. It's so rich. And that consistency, it's nice and thick. But it's not done just yet. I want to add a little tang with some lemon zest. And for some extra texture, some whole blueberries. I'm just gonna get this off the heat and let it cool. This is a brunch showstopper. I mean, how gorgeous is this? I'm gonna get myself the perfect piece. Now this is not finished. I'm gonna add a couple of luxurious toppers, starting with crème fraîche, or a grown-up version of sour cream. Some of that blueberry sauce from earlier. Oh, it's so good. And for a really gorgeous pop of color, lemon zest. And I have one last surprise. Some crunchy candied pecans. Alrighty, I'm ready to try this. The pancakes became almost like a sponge cake with all that nice creamy custard. And I love the mix of those blueberries, that nice sweet tangy sauce. And let's not forget about that crunch from those candied pecans.